Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP. Today in this video we are going to learn about the powerful techniques of Explore reports in Google Analytics 4. Explore is a powerful feature in GA4 that allow you to deep dive into your data with flexibility and in great details. Unlike traditional report, exploration lets you create custom analysis and visualize trends specific to your business goals. So what are the key features or benefit of exploration in GA4? The first one is advanced segment. In this, you can segment your data by user attributes, events, or demographic to uncover meaningful insights. The second one is comparison mode. Compare performance metrics across different segments or time period to identify trends and patterns. The third one is predictive metrics. Utilize AI-driven predictions to forecast future trends and behavior based on historical data. So now if you talk about the techniques of exploration reports in GA4. So let's start. Here I am the dashboard of the Google Analytics 4. To go to the Explore report, you need to go to the left navbar and click on the Explore button. Here you can see the different exploration report which you can use in GA4. Click on the template gallery and you can see the various types of the report. To start with the free form, this feature allows you to create custom report by selecting specific metrics and dimensions that are relevant to your analysis. For example, you can analyze the performance of different marketing campaigns by comparing metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and average session duration. The second one is funnel exploration. This helps you visualize user journey through predefined steps such as product pages, cart addition, and checkout completion. It's invaluable for identify where user drop off in the conversion process, allowing you to optimize your funnel for higher conversion. The third one is path exploration. Path exploration lets you analyze the most common paths users take on your website or the app. This can reveal popular navigation routes or unexpected paths that lead to the conversation. For instance, you can track the path users take from landing pages to specific content of the product pages. The fourth one is segment overlap. It helps you to understand how different user segments interact with your website or app by comparing overlaps between segments like the new user versus returning users or different age groups. You can tailor your marketing strategies and content to better meet their needs. The first one is User Explorer. User Explorer provides individual level analysis, allowing you to delve into the behavior of specific users. This is helpful or useful for understanding user engagement patterns such as frequent versus or occasional visitors and tailor personalizing experience based on their interactions. The first one is cohort exploration. It helps you to track groups of users who share common characteristics or behavior over time. For example, you can create cohort based on sign-up dates or acquisition channel to analyze their retention rates and engagement level. The seventh one is user lifetime. Lastly, user lifetime analysis gives you insights into the long-term value of users over their entire life cycle. You can track metrics like lifetime value, purchase frequency, and engagement trends to optimize customer retention, strategize, and maximize lifetime customer value. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Google Analytics 4. Thank you for watching.